Assalamualaikum dear student of class 7. First of all, welcome to my period and I hope that you are all very well. So now today our topic is to solve the exercise of lesson 14 and page number 80 to 83. Shabash, hurry up, open your textbook and page number 80 to 82 or 83. Okay. So beta hurry up. I am waiting for you. Sorry, not 82 or 83. Only 82. Okay. Hurry up. First of all, I will teach you usage of since and for. First of all, I will tell you usage of since and for. Usage of for and since. Okay. So, beta, for but concept is power. Okay. First of all, I will teach you usage of for. Usage of for. For showing duration of time beta. For we use for showing duration of time. Okay. Right beta. फार जेको हूंदो आहे उहो असांखे उहो किथे असां इस्तेमालु करे सघूं था पुट जेको असांखे कंहिं कम में ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम ॿुधाए. राइट बेटा, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. जैसे हाउ मैनी hours, weeks, months, years, minutes, seconds. Hours, weeks, months, minutes and seconds. Okay. Right put. For example, I have waited for 2 hours. I have waited for 2 hours. Yeah. I have teaching you for 2 hours. Yeah, you have learning English for 2 hours. Example, I have waited for 2 hours. Okay. And for we use also purpose. I am going to. For we also use मकसद लाइ जीअं as I am going Lahore for study. I gave Yadar I gave my for 5,000 purpose of trip. Okay, now intended putra can intended jiya putra this is for you, this pen is for you, ये पेन तमाम लाया है ठीक है पुत्र उन खां पोइ यूसेज ऑफ पुट सिंस ऐं फॉर जी जेको टॉपिक आहे उहो तव्हां पुट 81 ते आहे छाकाणि त तव्हांखे प्रेज़ेंट परफेक्ट ऐं प्रेज़ेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू टेंस सेखारण खां पहिरियों सिंस ऐं फॉर जो पुट सिखणु लाज़मी आहे राइट पुट सो नाउ यूसेज ऑफ सिंस राइट पुट यूसेज ऑफ सिंस showing point of time since showing point of time okay यहाँ definite time राइट बेटा वेरी सिंपल है ॾिसो बाबा फॉर जेको असां कमु कयो उहो केतिरनि कलाकनि लाइ कयो आहे केतिरनि सेकंडनि लाइ कयो आहे केतिरनि सालनि लाइ कयो आहे केतिरनि हफ़्तनि लाइ पर जेको असां सिंस यूज़ कंदा उहो मतिलबु जेको कमु असां माना कॾहिं शुरू कयो आहे कम जी शुरूआती पॉइंट पुट राइट कम जी शुरूआती पॉइंट अची वियो सम्झ में जीअं आई हैव एग्जाम्पल हो पुट आई हैव वेटेड फॉर 2 hours आई हैव वेटेड फॉर 2 hours जेकर लिखां आई हैव वेटेड सिंस एग्जाम्पल आई हैव वेटेड सिंस वनो कलाक माना मां 1 कलाक खां इंतज़ार करे रहियो आहियां मां 1 कलाक इंतज़ार कयो आहे पुट आई हैव वेटेड सिंस 1 o'clock राइट पुट माना 1 o'clock 1 बजे खां पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आहे पुट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आहे अगरि 1 hour हुजे हा त उते असां छा यूज़ कयूं आहे पुट फॉर यूज़ कयूं आहे राइट बाबा now since to show reason since we use also to show reason means example she was ill हुआ बीमार हुई she was ill she did since she was ill she did not attend the party right beta now page number 81 beta page number 81 since and for I have waited for 2 hours I have waiting for 2 hours I have waited for 2 hours I have been waiting for 2 hours. I have waited since 1 o'clock. I have been waiting since 1 o'clock. माना मां 1 कलाक इंतज़ार कयो आहे या मां 1 कलाक खां वठी इंतज़ार करे रहियो आहियां. We use for when we mean period of time, for 1 day, for a week, for 2 years. Sometimes for is left out. I have waited 2 hours. We use since when we mention a particular time, since 1 o'clock, since yesterday, since last year. Right, putra? Very simple. Now add since or for to these sentences. Add since or for to these. I have not seen you dash 2 weeks, dash 2 weeks, for 2 weeks. She has not been here dash Tuesday. वीक जे पुट नेम सां असां छा यूज़ कंदा आहियूं, सिंस यूज़ कंदा सिंस ट्यूसडे. माय फादर हैज़ नॉट हैड अ हॉलीडे dash a year, for a year. Okay, now in page number 80 beta, present perfect simple and present perfect continuous tense. I think beta, can I erase this side? Yes, okay. रटो नवणो पुट कॉन्सेप्ट. जे कॉन्सेप्ट इज पावर. Now okay beta, present simple, present perfect simple and present perfect continuous tense. Now first present perfect simple tense. Okay, now I will write first definition. First I will write definition. Such a form of verb which tells that such a form of which tells that subject has something, subject has something done near past time that is called present perfect simple tense. Okay, right beta. Such a form of verb which tells that subject has something done near past time that is called present perfect simple tense. That is called present perfect simple tense. Now beta, helping verb of present perfect helping verbs are have and is. Okay, have we use I, we, you, they, and names. Okay, and now his and nouns. Okay, now in present perfect simple tense we use third form of verb. Right beta? Now structure of assertive sentence. Okay, first of all we write plus third form verb object. Okay, जी है. She has walked yeah. Other example, I have eaten mango. Okay, now structure of okay. Now first of all we write helping verb, subject, third form verb, object. Means have I eaten a mango. Structure of negative sentence. Okay, first of all subject, helping verb plus not plus third form verb plus object. Means I have not eaten a mango. Okay, now beta once again I will repeat. Simple present simple perfect tense, such a form of verb which tells that subject has something done near past time, that is called present perfect tense. Helping verbs are have and has. Have we use I, we use, and plural names she, he, she, it, and singular names we use has. Now we use in present perfect simple tense third form of verb and structure of a assertive or affirmative sentence. First of all we write subject, helping verb plus third form of verb and a last object and many more items. Right beta? And now present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. First of all, we write definition. Such form of verb which tells that such form of verb which tells that subject has been doing something, has been doing something in present time, that is called present perfect continuous tense. Right beta? And helping verbs are have been and has been. Okay, have been we use plural names I, we, you, they, and plural names nouns or pronouns. Has we use he, she, it, and singular nouns are names. Okay, so now beta page number 80. This is we are they, some people have been sitting here since yesterday. I have already learned usage of since and for. So now this is the present perfect continuous tense. It is used for an action that began in past and is still going on. Now beta, it is used for an action that began in past. माना कम जेको पास्ट में शुरू थियो, but it is still going on. अञा ताईं जारी आहे, कंटिन्यू आहे. I have been waiting for 2 hours. I have been waiting for 2 hours. I have waited for 2 hours. Now beta, exercise number A, add either the present perfect or the present perfect continuous tense of the verb in brackets. I dash for 1 hour and I hope that it is stop soon. For 1 hour. It has for 1 hour and I hope that it has rain for 1 hour. I hope that it stops rain. Now beta, page number 82, construction means से फर्क. Now okay, as I am, we write another way. I am, we use apostrophe. Okay, I am, he is, other way we write, use apostrophe. Okay, now beta, other exercise you will read yourself and solve other exercises yourself. Very simple, very easy. Now beta, today our topic have finished. Tomorrow I will meet you new topic or new exercises. So thank you so much.